Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we shall demonstrate how to create a basic model by importing and arranging components such as pipes, elbows, and a ball valve. The resources used in this tutorial can be downloaded on the PlantFCE website. To start creating the model, open Model Builder. Then go to the File menu, click Import, and choose pipe.json to add it to the scene. Position the pipe model at the origin, meaning at the coordinates 0, 0, 0, or preferred starting point. For this model, keep the pipe aligned along the x-axis. Import ballvalve.json in the same way as done before. Position and rotate it to ensure a precise connection between the pipe and the ball valve. Then import rightElbow.json. Position it at the end of the pipe and rotate the elbow by 180 degrees on the y-axis. After that, import leftElbow.json. Position it at the end of the right elbow and rotate the elbow by 180 degrees on the y-axis. Add a directional light by going to Add, choosing Light and clicking Directional. Position this light suitably. You can save this project by going to File and clicking Save. This file can later be reopened by going to File and clicking Open. You can also download the completed model for this on the PlantFCE website. Thanks for watching.